Yo, today I tried changing a blown headlight bulb on my own, so naturally I turned to YouTube video for guidance. All video basically said this.
Twist this out and pull back.
Turn it. Twist that out.
Turn it counterclockwise.
Alright, looks simple enough, so I tried it. Sure, it works on all my other working bulbs, but not the one I wanted to change. No amount of twisting and turning can loosen this. I know it's dark in there, but bear with me. Soon we'll get to see the cursed clamp. So, if twisting and turning doesn't work, it's not you, it's the clamp. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.